Oh, bit wet up here. Hi guys, it's Artist Adventure here, and today I'm going to be looking at doing the Adventure Bike Rider Challenge. So this is what it looks like. There's a different route for each month of the year. January was the Mid Wales loop, but today we're going to be doing February via the Peak District. So these are all the different waypoints we're going to go to. It's around 139 miles. We're in Bosley right now, Macclesfield, and we'll be going through the Cat and Fiddle, Snake Pass, and the mystical Lud's Church. So let's get started. Hit the road and we can see where we end up. So if you're a subscriber to the channel, you'll notice that I've got a new bit of kit. This sat-nav, the Montana 700i, and this is my first time using it, so it seems like a great opportunity to test that out. Wow, some really nice houses. Very nice houses. But yeah, so I've set out all the waypoints that the magazine says we should go to. And we're just heading to the start point now. I'm hoping as soon as we go past the start point, the navigation will begin and we can go on this adventure. I've ridden through the Peak District quite a few times before. I love Snake Pass, it's one of my favourite roads. And I think that's going to be the last part of this journey today, so that'll be exciting. A good way to finish it off. But this will be the longest trip I've done through the Peak District. And we're going around quite a lot of it. Oh, there we go, on course. Cool, right. So now I think it will start giving us some directions, hopefully. And we'll head over to the first stop, which I think is Ludlow Church. And we're heading towards Buxton. We're going to be going through there as well, so we can see what's going on. Anyway, let's get a bit of speed up and check out some of these views. So I'm talking about, I hope anyone else watching who rides is able to get out as well. It's not as cold as it looks, you know. I'm hoping as well the sat-nav will come up with the waypoints, because I'm not sure if I needed to do anything to get them to like pop up, you know. Like I planned the route out, I put in all the waypoints it says, but yeah, I don't know if they're actually going to come up on the map. Cheeky one, cheeky corner. Lots of cyclists out today as well. Share the road. Whoa, look at that drop there. It's wide, it's so wide. Almost looks like there's a sunrise over there, but I think it's like 11 AM. Need to put orientation lock on the map, I think, because it keeps changing the way around. Some sheep, morning sheep. Look at this, guys, love these views. It's definitely one of my favourite places to ride, Peak District. But let's see, like I want to go on some trips to Europe, tours, so. Oh my god. Man, all that water's like collected there. But yeah, I'd like to go on some tours in Europe, and maybe, who knows, maybe I'll find a new favourite place to ride. Let's see. But for now, this feels like home, like, yeah, I love it here. If you've never been to the Peak District to ride, definitely should come. Just look at these roads. And the views, fresh air. One thing it says in the magazine actually, it recommends coming to the Peak District in February because it just gets so busy in the hotter months. Because it's like, because of where it's located, almost like in the middle of some major cities, a lot of people like coming here to ride, obviously, and it can get really busy. And not even just other bikers, but you know, cyclists, cars, caravans, things like that. Oh, I think we went off-road a little bit, off-route even. Damn. Okay. Let's see if we can turn around somewhere. Let's see. Can hear a bike coming. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going to go to this church. So I know that we need to turn up here now. Okay, so we're going up here. Past the Rose and Crown. I can already tell this is going to be a cool little spot just on the road. Oh, bumpy. Yeah, look at that view, guys. Right, let's go check out this church, and like I said, we'll just try and get the navigation to route us properly. This is a really cool road. I can see why it wanted us to go down here. I'm glad we did the U-turn and going back, otherwise we would have missed all of this. Alright. Says the church is here. Where is it? Maybe we went past it. Well, somehow we missed the church. I'll probably watch the video back and see it was like on a turn-in. I just missed it. But never mind. It's still a cool route even if we didn't see the church. Still got Sealby's great views, so now I've put in the course again that I planned, but it's still not giving me turn-by-turn directions, so I'm going to have to just try and keep an eye on the map and not miss any turn-ins. We'll figure it out. We'll get there, not in a rush. But yeah, these are all roads I've not been down before, so really cool that I get to come and check them out. It's getting pretty narrow up here. Gates. Oh, hold on. Oh, we're not going up there, good. Thought we had to go straight for a second. Okay. Down we go. It's getting a bit nippy, so I'm going to close my helmet. Hopefully it won't fog up too much. I feel like we went pretty high up just then, and now we're kind of coming back down a bit. There's loads of nice little cottages. I bet there's so many like Airbnbs around here. Looks like there's a little bridge we're going to have to go through. Go. Oh, a bit wet up here. I know the bike and my back is probably going to be filthy by the end of this. So obviously just put the clutch in for a second then to try not scare the horses too much, because they are not fans of motorbikes at all. Neither are these sheep. Oh god. They all turn to look at me like, who's making all that noise? Man, nothing better than this sort of trip. What the hell? Did you see that? Oh, I don't know if the camera would have got it, but it was like a shrine, a sheep shrine or something. This guy's blocking up the road a bit.